Hey guys, Sam here from Enabot, and today we're going to unbox our newest product, EBO X. EBO X is our flagship homebot, and I'm so excited to show you what that entails. In this video, I'm going to take you step by step and show you how to enable 3 key features on EBO X. First, we're going to set up voice command through Amazon Alexa and demo a few basic commands. Second, I'll show you how to access the remote communication function, which lets you use the EBO to see and speak to loved ones while you're away from home. And third, we're going to set up fall detection and alert. This is a health and safety feature that enables EBO to autonomously detect and notify you if someone in your home has fallen over. If you want to skip ahead to a certain section or feature, you can find the timestamp links in the description below this video. Or if you're just wondering where you're at, reference the guide up here. And as a reminder, EBO comes with a ton more smart features, and the 3 we'll be looking at in this video are just a good way to start your EBO X experience. We'll be going over some other features in future videos, so keep an eye out for those as well. Let's get started. So, first thing, EBO X comes packed in this black EPP box, which is the best quality for shipping electronics. You should really keep this around in case you ever need to transport EBO. It completely blocks any dust or damage. So here's EBO X. The adapter box, the instruction box with the manual inside, and the home dock. This is where EBO goes to charge. Let's set it up. To use the charging dock, just place it flat against the wall like this. Make sure it leans against the bottom of the wall and lies firmly on the floor. Once you place EBO on the dock, it will automatically turn on.
EBO, hi!
Hi EBO! By the way, you can switch EBO off by holding the power button underneath for 3 seconds.
EBO, bye!
And back on by pressing it once. Okay, now that EBO is on and the dock is set up, the first step to get your EBO up and roaming is to bind it with your phone. To do this, you'll need the EBO Home app, which you can find on the Google Play or App Store. It'll look like this. Once you have the app downloaded, just create an account and then go to the home page. Click on My Robot in the top left-hand corner, then Add Robot, add your Wi-Fi info, and you should see a QR code appear in the app. Pop open EBO's camera by lightly pressing here. Hold the QR code about 6 inches away, give it a second.
Network connection succeeded.
And there we go. The binding process is as simple as that. And now I have full remote access to EBO X from my phone. Pretty cool. The very first thing you should do once you're bound with the app is update EBO's firmware, because you're going to want all the newest features. To do that, just go to the About Robot page, scroll to the bottom and click Robot Upgrade. Make sure to leave EBO on the charging dock while upgrading. Knowing how to consistently set upgrades is really important, because the entire time EBO X is living in your home, it's going to be open to gaining new features and improvements. The engineering team is constantly working on new smart features, and this technology is moving really fast, so you should always be ready to upgrade. And there we go. Now that EBO's fully updated, it's time to test out the first smart feature, voice command. In order to use voice command, you'll first need to log into your Amazon Alexa account in the app. To do that, just go to this second page, click Get Started, and you'll be prompted to log into your Alexa account. Once you're logged in, choose your location and language, and now you get to name your EBO. This step is important, since you'll need to say this name when using voice commands. I'm going to go with Robot. Once you choose a name, the next step is to enable Alexa skills with EBO. To do this, just go to your Amazon Alexa app, make sure to download the app if you don't already have it. Go to the Skills and Games section on the app and search EBO X Robot Skill. Click on the result that looks like this. Tap Enable to use and then Allow. And you're good to go. now that EBO is fully equipped with Alexa-powered voice command. Let's try some voice commands out. So with the latest firmware update, there are two options for the wake-up phrase that you use to get EBO's attention. The first one is Alexa, set robot to, and then say the command. The Alexa wake-up phrase is most useful for calling up online content, so let's try that. Alexa, set robot to play lo-fi hip-hop. Alexa, set volume to 2. You can also use Alexa voice command for direct control over EBO. Watch this. Alexa, set robot to follow me. And just like that, EBO X follows me anywhere I go. Alexa, set robot to sit down. Alexa, mute. These are just a few really basic voice commands. So if you want to check out the full arsenal of what you can do with this feature, go through the Alexa page in the app and try out all the commands. We will soon release a firmware update that will enable a new EBO wake-up phrase. With this update, you will no longer need to use Alexa to access EBO's core functions, and you'll have direct access to EBO using the phrase EBO. Now let's check out our second key feature, two-way remote communication. If you're wondering what that means, it's basically just a fancy way of saying you can access EBO's POV to communicate with loved ones while you're away from home. Let me show you how it works. The first thing you'll want to do is make sure EBO's camera is popped up. Next, go to the home page in the app and click on this rectangle in the middle, which should be giving you live access to EBO's POV through the camera. Now, with this screen, no matter where you are, for example, your office, or if you're traveling, you'll have total remote control of EBO's movement, EBO's camera, and EBO's speaker. Just use these arrows here to move EBO forwards and backwards, left and right. You can move EBO all around your house until you find who you're looking for, such as a pet or a loved one. You can also click on this microphone symbol right here to talk through EBO's speaker wherever you are. Hey guys, how are you doing? If you want to communicate with a loved one face-to-face from wherever you may be, EBO allows you to do it in the coolest, most personal way possible. The third and final feature we're going to look at in this video is the fall detection and alert security task, which is one of the most advanced tools EBO X has to offer. With this feature, EBO X uses a horizontal pose identification system to detect if someone in your home has fallen over. If you have an older loved one in your life who's at risk of falling, this feature is essential for peace of mind. Let me show you how to set it up. To set up fall detection, slide to the fourth page in the app. First select Map, then Create Now. Select Next until you see Start Now. Select it and give the map a name, like Home, and click Confirm. Click Start Now and EBO will map your house. It'll take some time. Once the map is done, you can enable fall detection. Go to My Task and click Create Now. Then choose Security Monitoring Assistant. Name your task Fall Detection and set a time and a repeat date. Then set the location. I'll do Stay in Place for now. Next, click Moreover and select Someone has fallen down. Click on Just Execute to choose how you'd like to be notified if a fall is detected. You can receive a message through the app, a call through the app, or both. And then click this button at the bottom to add it to your tasks. That's all it takes to set up, so let me show you how it works. I'm going to lay down here and I should receive a notification when EBO detects that I've fallen down. Yep, there it is. The notification pops up just like that. And like we just went over, you can then access EBO's POV to communicate with whoever the EBO detected. Like I said, if you have a loved one in your life who is at risk of falling at home, this is a really essential tool to keep them safe. So those are the three key features I wanted to show you in this video. Again, there are plenty of things we didn't cover here. For example, intruder alert, crying detection, climbing detection, smart assistant, light shows, and so many more. So keep an eye out for more of these videos. And now that you understand the basics, you and your family are going to have a blast exploring all the amazing new tools that will make your smart home even smarter. If you're having any questions or issues, Enabot has 3 different options for you to get customer support. One is the Home app, which you can reach on the 4th page here. Just click on Help Center and you can scroll through the FAQs, or reach us directly through technical support here in the top right corner. In addition to in-app and email support, you can also find help on the EBO X Facebook group. And before you go, make sure to join our community. Hop on the Enabot boards, join our Facebook group, and follow us on all our socials to keep updated on the new upgrades and provide suggestions for new features. I'll see you there.